So in this video now we'll try to learn how to access that any selected value of any key. Means in a dictionary if we have key pair value, so if of any key, suppose in a dictionary I have A, B, C, three keys, so any of them I wanted to find that selected value, so how we can find it out. So now I will move to Visual Studio and I will create one dictionary. Okay, I will create with two value, so A equals to list and then range of 1 to 10, and then I will put that to here and I will explain you what I am doing. Just a minute. Okay, so now copy and paste it. Now this will start for B. This I wanted to start from 11 and then this will go till 30. Okay, I wanted you to just predict what now I am going to do, and then I will explain you again after running this output, and then we'll go for that question. So now I will clear this first and then I will rerun it. So now you can see that output. So what basically I'm trying, last time I used that range of 1 to 10. This time I am giving that how many letter they need to skip. So alternate letter I have given 2. So 1, 2 is missing 3, then 4 is missing 5. In the similar way 11, 13, 15, everything coming. So now coming back to our original question. So now I need to do that print of, okay, I need to print that list of B. Okay, so if I go and run that, sorry, I need to print first B value. So inside of D I need a single quote of B to be get printed. Okay, so now I wanted to print only B value, so I got it here 11, 13, everything. So now suppose if I wanted only on the second position or first position, whatever position I wanted to give it here, so I will go it here and provide here second. Okay, so if I put that second, so now we got it 15, and the region behind we know it's a start with 0, 1 and then 2. If I need on that second position, then I need to give -1 value and then we can get it 13. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.